Hey guys, welcome to 7.2. This is Algebra A, B, and Bridge to Algebra 2 this year. This is 7.2, Graphing Linear Functions. 7.2, Graphing Linear Functions. Okay, so how to graph linear functions from a standard form. So you have A, B, C, and D. Okay, so the first thing we're going to remember is, do you remember standard form? What is a standard form? Well, a standard form is ax plus by equals c. So ax plus by is equal to c. Okay? So how do you graph? Well, first of all, to graph, you are going to rewrite in slope-intercept form. Okay, rewrite in slope-intercept form. And what does that form look like? Y equals mx plus b. So y equals mx plus b. Okay? So you're going to learn, you remember how to rewrite those? So we're going to review a little bit. Next spot, you are going to plot. That means you're going to put a point on the y-axis, and that point is the b. So you're going to plot, put a point on the y-axis, which is your b. There's your b. So A, rewrite in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Part B, you're going to plot, put a point on the y-axis, which is your b. Okay? Next thing, you are going to count your rise over your run, which is your slope. So you're going to plot your point, your rise over your run, which is a change in y over a change in x. Okay? And your m is your slope. So you're going to rewrite in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. You're going to plot, put a point on y-axis, which is your b. You're going to count your rise over your run, which is your m, and that's a change in y, over a change in x, and that's your slope. Okay? Part D, connect the 2 points for a straight line. So, connect 2 points for a straight line. So first step, rewrite in slope-intercept form. B, plot the B. C, count your M. D, connect the 2 points for a straight line. Alright, so let's take a look at number 2. Okay, example, I have 2 examples right here. We're going to look at number 2. So on number 2, we have this equation. 3x minus 4y equals 0. And I know they're linear because each of these is to the 1 power. Okay? So step number 1, you're going to rewrite in slope-intercept form. So what are we going to do? You're going to subtract 3x. What you do to one side, you do to the other. These cancel. Bring down negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 0. You're trying to make it look like y equals mx plus b. We're trying to make it look like this. Okay? Next part, divide both sides by negative 4. That cancel. So y is equal to negative 3 divided by negative 4 is positive 3, 4x plus 0. 0 divided by negative 4 is 0. And now if you take a look, what do you have for your slope? Your slope is 3, 4. What is your y-intercept? 0. Okay, so now we're going to graph. You graph the b first. Here's your y. Y goes up and down, so there's your 0. Okay, so your slope here, you're going to go up 3 to the right 4, because up is positive. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have your 2 points. But a little reminder, this is the same as negative 3 over negative 4, and you can graph this one as well. If you graph this one, negative 3 goes 1, 2, 3, down, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. See how you still have a straight line? Should always be a straight line. All right, connect all your points, but all you really need is 2. Draw your arrows and make your graph long, okay? So there you have your number 2. All right, now let's go to number 3, okay? Number 3, you have 3x plus y equals -3. All right, so how do you solve for y? Subtract 3x, subtract 3x. So you have y equals -3x minus 3. Do you see how that looks like slope-intercept form? Okay, so you are finished. Y equals mx plus 3 plus b. So your slope is -3. I like to put a 1 under there, so that way I don't forget to move to the left or the right. And my b is -3, okay? Now remember, this is the same as 3 over -1. Negative divided by positive, positive divided by negative are both negative. So you can go either one. All right, so I'm going to use this one to graph. I like this one. So I don't have to do a lot of thinking. Okay. So -3, here's your y. So there's -3. This one, I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, to the right 1. Okay? If I use this one, I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, to the left 1. You really only need 2 points to graph, but you can do 3 if you like. And there I have my graph. Connect your points. Draw a straight line with your straight edge or a ruler. And there you have your line. Okay? So you can pause this page if you need to kind of look at those examples. But I think you guys will do this just fine. Please have this done. Have a great day.